Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 18, the show that helps you ship secure, high-quality software faster. This episode's being recorded on November 6th, 2023, and I'm your host, Chris. And today we're going to do more of the focus on security, the security side of the, well, probably, maybe a little bit of coding, we'll see. We do have to try and create a reverse shell. So this is kind of a continuation from the last episode where we figured out the user flag for this hack the box machine called I really should have asked some Spanish speaking people to say this, Busqueda, but basically it means like search or quest in Spanish if I have the translation correct. So yeah, and today we're going to try and so the way we solved it last time was we didn't use a reverse shell. We were just kind of executing Python in there. So if you remember here, there was this searcher website here. And it used a searcher. Well, you could go watch the old video, but a quick summary. It used a searcher kind of plugin module, a Python one. And so it was vulnerable to Python injection attack. And so I think actually, let me see. I think I have it. Yeah, here. So this is the attack we used last time to figure out the user flag. So yeah, you can add all sorts of crazy Python commands in there. So that's a command we used last time. But kind of going through the walkthrough after the fact, I discovered that there was. Where is it? Where is my walkthrough? I want this one. Going through the walkthrough, discovered that they recommend doing a reverse shell, and this is something I've struggled to get working before. Like I'm not like a Red Hat hacker expert or anything. Most of my experience has been on the software development side, just making sure my software is invulnerable to these types of attacks to begin with. Not trying to actually exploit them. So yeah, let's try a reverse shell. They give us one here, but I think just for my learning and maybe hopefully yours as well, we're going to try and generate one kind of from scratch. Like this is some base 64 encoded script, probably some sort of Python script that I don't know, sets up a reverse SSH command to the target machine, and then pipes it through base 64 to decode it, and then bash. So yeah, it must open up a shell and then run the bash command or something like that. So, and then we're going to use netcat on our host machine to listen. So this must be or somehow coded in there to report back to port 1337. So anyway, let's try it out and see what we can do. So a couple things. If I remember. So for those watching me for the first time too, this is kind of live coding. So you get to see me struggle a bit and probably make mistakes. Like I was reviewing the other video before this one, and I saw a couple times I was like, ooh, whoops, I messed that up. Or when I'm watching the video again, I'm like, oh man, I was real dummy there. So yeah. The other thing I should say too, before I get much further, is if you do have any suggestions or improvements for the videos, or you have a question you'd like me to answer in a future video, or you want to pair on a future video, shoot me an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com. That's ask@SaturdayY.com. Oh no, wait, did I spell that wrong? See, I think I just screwed that up right now. ask@SaturdayMP.com. Ask@SaturdayMP.com. There we go. All right. Or you can leave some comments in the below the video and stuff like that. Okay. So what was I doing here? All right. So I guess first things first, let's go. So there's this online reverse shell generator at revshells.com. So let's see if we can get, the one we're going for is probably Linux. So let's try a Python All right, so it's got a Python. Oh, what version of Python is it running, I wonder? Excuse me. I guess we should figure that out too. Okay, so here's a couple reverse shells that we could use. Do all. Let's see if you do all. Oh, you just see the PowerShell ones and stuff. Okay. So I'm pretty sure it's Linux, but I should figure out the version of Python. Yeah, because the last video too, I was trying to use the PHP info command because for some reason my brain got PHP and Python mixed up. So let's see if we can. Okay, so I'm just gonna, for now, I'm gonna move this out of the way. And kind of using what we got here, let's figure out how we can run a PHP, the PHP pros, to figure out what version of PHP we have. And I get one thing people watching the last video note is I'm not an expert in Python. I've never really worked in a lot. I spent a lot of time in .NET and Ruby and some PHP, of course some HTML and a little bit of JavaScript. But yeah, well, I guess even JavaScript is kind of where I'm struggling a bit to, like, it's not my strongest suit. So working in some of these language, or working as a Red Hat hacker here, or whatever you want to call it, is really exposing my Python and JavaScript skill, my lack of Python and JavaScript skills. So, okay. So let's. All right. I'm just gonna make sure this is not gonna prompt me for a bunch of passwords now. Okay. Okay, so here. I think I got this all set up correctly. There we go. All right. So let's see if ChatGPT can give us a hand here too. So what was the question? I wanted to get the system info. So what is the PHP info equivalent in Python? Yeah, watching these videos, you're going to find out. Oh, what's this so badly spelt? Equivalent. Is that how you spell equivalent? I don't know. Looks good enough. All right, let's see if ChatGPT. The sys module. Okay, there. That's exactly what I want, the Python version. All right. So I just want sys.version. Oh, okay. Cool. Let's see if that'll work. So I don't want sub-process in this case. I'm assuming sys. Ooh, is that platform? Run. In this case, we don't want to run. We want version. And I think that's it. Let's see. Oh, well, we got the query, but we didn't get anything out of it. Huh. Version info. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's open up another site here. Oops. Try it. There we go. Okay, so So search Python, I guess 3, even though we're not 100% sure. And then, what was our command again here? Let's move that. So we need to import platform, like that, I think. And then we could go, wait, what was that example code? Oh, so it was sys. Oh, I imported the wrong one. Whoops. Maybe that's why we didn't get anything. Sys.version. Let's see. Aha! Okay, cool. There we go. Sys.version 3.10.6. Actually, I think I had that somewhere else up here. Oh yeah, I already knew that. Oh, right. And I think I already knew that from, right, the Wapalizer. Okay. Yeah, Python 3.10.6. Okay. Anyway, well, that was at least we figured that out. That's good to know. Okay, so we know that that's the version. So we want Python 3. So if we go back to our reverse shell command here, we want one of these Python 3 ones. I don't know what the difference between both of these is. The one's exporting the remote host and the port. Oh yeah, so we could set our port and our, the nice thing about this reverse shell is you could set your IP up top here and the port, and it will fill it into the script down below. All right, so then it's trying, and it's going to run a Python 3 command, import. Okay, so it's importing the system, socket, OS, and then it's setting, it's creating a new socket, and it's connecting to the remote host. So this whole thing is the connect to the remote host and the remote port. And I don't know what dupe2 does. So these ones are Python ones, but the other thing is we can execute commands directly in Linux, like right through bash. I wonder if there's a simpler one. Like if we look at the bash one. Oh yeah, look at that. That is probably a lot simpler. Because I guess, yeah, that Python one's really long. So yeah, we could just run this bash command probably to get it to work, because we can really just execute. Can we just run commands? Because we could, when I did it, I had to use the OS thing here, but can we just do an echo? Because I think that's what the, okay, now I don't remember. Is that what the walkthrough did? Does echo need an open Python? Probably. So if we, let's just echo, what do I want to echo? Just like, hello. I think I just want to use single quotes. Oh, that didn't work. Nope. How would I, like, I was able to run, I'm trying to remember what the part of me is trying to cheat and remember what the walkthrough said, because I only scrolled down to a little bit of that reverse shell and saw some that used echo, but I don't remember exactly what they put in there. So before, we just subprocessed and we ran this big old command here. So we could probably just do the same thing, But instead of running the cat command, we would run the reverse shell one, this sh. I don't know exactly what. I guess I would just try the bash. This one looks pretty simple if we could get this one to work. Okay, well, let's try it. Let's see. Let's fill in our. Let's fill in the. There we go. Port 3000. So that we can fire up. And this one, reverse bind. Okay. All right. I am going to have to convert this into a gross. Okay. So if we go cyber, I think I will. I'll probably have to convert that to base 64, I'm assuming, to send it over the wire, because it's got all these special characters in here. Right, because that other command did an echo of the base 64, and then it piped it through. Yeah, okay, so let's go cyber, is it cyberchef.org? I can't remember. All right, so let's put this in here. And then to base 64. All right. What's this guy? Yeah, okay. Copy that. Okay, we should probably let's take some notes here. So remember what I tried. Okay. So we have those. Oh, wait, that's the IP address of the machine. I need my IP address, which is, where is this one? Okay. Oh, what is it now? Is it IF? Ah. Okay, there we go. Now, I don't think I want my local one. I think I want this. This is my, this one here, this tunnel. Because we have a VPN connection to Hack the Box. So let's grab that IP address there. All right, okay. That's better. Okay. So we can put this into, let's put that into our document. And then we'll have to get the new Cyber Chef in there. Oops. All right, I got the correct one in there. So let's copy this. Okay, there we go. And now, because how else would I just echo that? So I can't. How did this work again? It basically wrapped it in an eval statement. Right, that doesn't do anything. Oh, did I want one or two? I don't remember now. I wanted just one to close the stir. Oh, okay. So there we got the hello. So that's a good sign. Now, what if we went echo? I might have to look how the echo command works in Python here. Or Oh no, maybe they're not even, if they're just writing out straight, like a bash command here. Will it just let me do that? No. I still need this string, probably. No. Alright, I don't remember how that would work, and I'm not smart. So I'm going to try my subprocessor thing. If that doesn't work, maybe we'll take a peek at the... We'll take a peek back at the walkthrough. Okay, so let's just get this working again. Oh, for some reason I always forget to copy the pound. Okay, so that's good. Ran that. Now, I don't want to run cat this time. I want to run... I want to run a bunch of pipe commands. Can I... Oh, yeah. See, that's going to be tricky to do. Because I need to pipe that through the base64 decoder. Because this command's got to look like, in Linux, it's got to look like... I think it's like... So I want to paste... Oops. What is that? And I want to pipe it through base64. Okay, I don't remember how the base64 command works. Let's take a look. Base64-H. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we want right. Oh, right. We want the decode. Okay. So let's just clear this. All this garbage. Okay. So we paste clipboard. We pipe it through base64-D. Oh, is this where I need to echo? Oh, okay, I don't even need the strings around it. Maybe that's what I was screwing up. So I could run. Well, I still have to do all that crazy piping. I just did hello. That worked, right? Like it just printed out hello. If I did... Echo hello does nothing. Okay. I might have to take a peek about how that's structured again. But this is what I want. And then I wanted, like, and then I think you have to put like a bash here, right? Right, yeah. So connection was refused because I need to netcat lvnp 3000. Okay, so that command worked. You can see it, I connected to myself. Good job. And I can see my own folder. Okay. Right on. So let's get that netcat up and running again. So I have to pass that in there somehow. If I just did echo hello, that's probably not going to work either, because it thinks that's all a Python statement that it's got to execute. So could put that subprocess, so I'd want to run echo, and how could I do a subprocess? Can you have a subprocess in Python with a pipe? Does that make any sense, ChatGPT? Let's see. Oh, okay, maybe it will. Standard out subprocess.pipe. The standard out attribute contains the output of the command if standard out subproc pipe is set to true. I don't think that is correct. Subprocess.run. Let's just look it up. Subprocess run Python. Okay, let's see what we got for subprocess. Shell true. Oh, look at that. You can should be just able to exit whatever we want. So I wonder if I even need to, well, I probably do, because it's probably going to get all mangled. I wonder if I even need to do this weird base 64 encoding. So let's try it. I don't know, let's try it without it, see what happens. Where's my notes? There we are. So let's put all this back. And here we're just going to run sh so we can run that command. Do all these need to be separate arguments? Okay, do I have Python installed on my machine here? I must have some version of it. Oh. So, oh yeah, okay. Python 3. Okay. No. Just, I don't know why everyone types quit or exit. Just let people exit with the, drives me nuts. So what was I gonna do? Python 3. Can you just have Python 3 stuff like this? Oh, no, it needs a file name. So if I just did Python 3, I can get into here. Okay, now I want to see. Do I have the subprocess? Import subprocess, right? Okay, so I do have the run -I. Oh, it needs to be like an array here, doesn't it? Okay. Now, can I just keep adding like this? got a return code. Cannot open no such file. CP10.14. Return code 2. Dang it. Can I do this as one? Probably not. This probably won't work either. Okay. Can I do an echo? Do I have to do it as one? No such file or directory. There's probably some escaping issues I'm running into. Okay, let's just take a quick look because I don't want this video to take forever. So let's see what the walkthrough suggests. How that echo command works. All right. So they do os.system. os.system. What did we use? Oh, subprocess. Oh, they use a system command. Okay. And then they can just run it. Oh, okay. So os. Yeah, I did do things a little more complicated. So I just did system echo hello. And I have to close this, like that, I think. Right? Because I need to close this, and I need to close that echo. Yeah, okay, so 2. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, this is going to make life a lot easier. Okay, so I think we can use this command here. Oh, I got it open. We might as well just... So we can echo... Let's build this whole thing here. Build it over here. It'll be easier to do. So we need to echo all this. Yeah, that won't work because it'll get all mangled when we try to send it over the wire. And then we pipe it through the base 64-D. And then we have to run the bash command. So I think that'll work. Let's see. Well, oh, did it connect here? I didn't have this open on the side here. Oops. Ah. Oh, okay. Hey, I think we are connected. Okay, we're in var www app. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Huh, cool. So if we do, what do we see in here? Anything interesting? Oops. Doesn't look like it. Render template. Is templates a directory? Templates. Oh, okay. Body, what's this up? Social, Instagram or some Twitter? Oh, this is just a footer. Okay. Probably nothing too exciting there. Do we have... Oh, there is a Git folder. Okay. Oops. All right, that's where they get the code from. Oh, okay. I don't know if that'll lead us anywhere. Okay, interesting. I'm user 1000. Okay. Is that www data? Oh, how do I see? All right, so we had an app as a CD. Let's go back to var. Let's just check. Oops, where were we? We were in var. Where did we start off in? We started off in... Oh, that's the whole site there. Was it app? Oh, www. Right. So cd var www. And if we look in HTML, what do we see in here? No, nothing. Okay. Not a lot going on. That reverse shell. Oh, okay. Reverse shells, when I do less, it just spits out the whole thing. So, okay, I'll have to note that. Okay. Now we can go look at that home. SVC. What do we got in here? We do have a git config, a .local. Oh, it's Cody. Okay, let's note his name down here. It might be useful later. Probably nothing super useful in here, but let's see anyway. No. It doesn't look like it. What else is there? It's in the cache folder. Legal displayed? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's an empty file. I don't know if there's anything useful in there. Okay, cool. So the reverse shell worked. So I don't, this is getting pretty long. So I don't, do I end the video here? Or do I keep going? and try to find, because I'm not quite, I need to elevate my privilege because I'm assuming I need to go, like we want to get root or something like that. So is there only the one? Yeah, there's only the one folder. Oh, there is, sorry, there's the, yeah, I can't get into root. Right, okay, so I'm assuming I need to get into here. Okay, but that was good enough, I think. Let's end this with the reverse shell working. And then next time I can use this reverse shell to poke around a bit more on the machine and try to get into the root directory. I'm assuming this is where the other key is. That's really, we're already in here pretty good. Okay, I think, let me see. Is there any more, like if I go here, we clicked on the machine info. Custom source, like it had some hard-coded credentials, so that's a clear text credential. So I'm wondering if they're not stored somewhere that I'm missing. Where else would people put credentials? Like home SVC. Like I don't. Like .local. I think it's probably back in var www. There's nothing in HTML. That's actually owned by root. If we go look here, right, we didn't. Oh, wait. Is that his like really gross long password right there? I think that is. Right, because this is his username and that's his really password. Oh, is that it, Mr. Cody? Okay, well, let's try that. So let's copy. Sure, let's just copy this whole thing. Now, if we go, oh, we're going to need another terminal here. Let's launch a new instance. Okay, we don't need that open. So if I went SSH, what was that IP address I wanted again? This one. All right. Sure, it's fine. I don't know what the password is. Okay. So if I went SSH Cody at, what is his at this, I guess we could just go search or hack the box, right? That works. Wait, how do I spell S-E-A-R-C-H-E-R? I think is what I missed the A. Yes. All right, and if I take your long password here, Cody, is that it? No. Okay, let's try root at searcher.hack the. I can't get that. SEARCHER.hack the box. Did I lose my connection for some reason? SEAR. Oh man. Where's my oops, forgot the S. Okay. So it said password reuse. So that was kind of a clue that I think I'm assuming maybe this. Oh, it's taking too long. Okay, but that's interesting. Like, that's got this Gita. Like, this is his Git repository. I wonder if we can get in there. Oh, we have to add that to nano. Yeah, let's do this. .129.83.139. So let's go to that website and see what's there. So let's just put you over here. And then let's bring up Burp Suite again. And what was it again? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, that was really slow. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay. It was GITEA. GITEA.SEARCHER.hack. Hack the box. Oh, stupid. I really have to figure out how to tell Chromium to not what is just gonna move this over here. Okay, and you can go away and let's turn that off. And then let's go here. Okay, I do have to turn this on. It's annoying. Thank you. Ah, okay. I have no idea what a GitT is. Okay, I was calling it Gita, but it's GitT. Oh, it's like a self-hosting service. Oh, okay. Well, let's try. Oh yeah, sign in. There we go. So Cody, that would work. And here is my password. Yeah, so this is where we got the Cody password from again. Just a reminder from that. We saw it in his Git profile. Okay. Administrator created a branch. Okay, that's interesting. It's a pull request. All right, let's look at the site. Maybe there's something else in here. Oh, there's probably something in the history. If we go look, can I see all? There's an administrator here. I wonder if I could get. I wonder if I have to look for another. So I guess the two options are maybe there's something in the code, but it doesn't look like. Oh, there's only one commit. Okay. I thought there was more. What did it say here? Oh, they created the repository, they created the branch, and they did one push. Oh, okay, yeah, there's nothing else here. But maybe there's some... like, can we try logging in as administrator? Oh. So, because if we go here and we look, this is like a little self-hosted GitHub thing. Yeah, Cody. Yeah, there's your email address. But administrator. Now, can we? Do you think Cody's also the administrator? Well, let's try that. Let's try using Cody's password. I guess I can put this back over here. Oh, sorry. All right, we'll try using Cody's password here. So let's sign out, sign back in, administrator. And did you reuse the same password? Dang it. That makes me sad. Did I spell administrator right? Okay. Okay, we'll have to... Let's log back in as Cody. We'll take one more quick look and then I should wrap this up. So how would I guess I could look for Git T. Like this is a version that probably has some issues with it. Organization. There's only one repository. Like Cody created this, but then the administrator pushed it. Huh. Settings. So, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what the next step is, but maybe we could get... So we got access to the machine. We got access to their Git T. Is that running on the same machine? It must be, right? Yeah, it's the same. It's the same IP address. I wonder where that's running on the machine. Okay, I'll have to look up Git T next time. But I think this is a good time to wrap up the video. We were able to... Oh, make some... This is kind of interesting. This is kind of cool. Jumping from one thing to another. Alright, you can go away. We don't need you. But yeah, we were able to get a reverse shell. We were able to get onto the... and find the Gita machine. Actually, I'm just curious. I wonder what this... Let's just decode this real quick, because I'm curious what this reverse shell was. I think it's pretty similar to what we had. So that's the one we had here. Let's Let's get up a new one here. Oh. Oh, did I forget the I? Oh, /cyberchef. Okay. So this is, no, I want this input here. And you're probably, yeah, okay, it was very similar. We just did sh instead of bash, but yeah, okay. It's basically the same one. Okay, that's cool. So we did the netcat thing. Right, okay, so we did find this. I don't want to look too much further ahead, because then we have a credential pair. Right, so let's leave off here. I don't want to scroll down anymore because it's gonna give stuff away. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions or questions or anything, you can send me an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com or throw some comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this. Interesting, not interesting. You want to see something different? You want a question asked in a future video? Let me know. And yeah, and if you ever need help shipping some software or securing your software or just even getting out the door, you can also check out SaturdayMP.com. There's a forum on there. You can contact me for consulting. And the website doesn't have a lot on it right now, but hopefully we'll put some more on there. But yeah, so yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll hopefully see you in a week or so when we'll try to get the root key, the system key, not key. What do they call it in Hack the Box? I don't remember what they call it now. Oh, the flag. That's what we're trying to get. We'll get the root flag. So hopefully we'll figure that out next time. It looks like we'll have to maybe dig into Git and see what some of the issues are. So yeah, thanks again for watching, everyone, and take care.